So, you're a new graduate student. You think you have a super cool research topic that you want to dig into for graduate school, so you apply to schools, you get in, start your degree, but then you very quickly realize that money plays a huge part in whether you get to actually do what you want for your research. A lot of graduate students need to work as teaching or research assistants to fund their graduate degree, and that work can really take away a lot of time that you'd rather be spending on your own work. So, this is why you want fellowship funding. These can be internal fellowships that you apply to automatically when your application is accepted, or they can be external funding sources like the NSF-GRFP or NDSEG, but both of them fund you and your journey through graduate school. So having this funding gives you more time for the research and endeavors that you want to do, and it takes away a lot of stress over what you need to do in order to get funding for your studies. Oftentimes, the money that you get from a fellowship can be more than what you get for a TA or RA position as well. And then finally, for me, having an internal fellowship from the College of Engineering at Purdue when I applied here made me a much more competitive student when I was looking to join labs, as a PI wouldn't have to devote as many resources to support me. And that allowed me the flexibility to choose the PI that I wanted instead of only those that would be willing to support me. So all in all, I think having a fellowship gives you a lot more choice and agency in graduate school, and it's a really great way of upgrading your graduate school experience.